everyone, my name is Nivedita. So today I'm going to talk about decimal part 2. I think so you have seen my decimal part 1. If you have not seen, so go and see because it contains the basics of the decimal. Okay. So now let us start with the topic. Okay. Yeah. So what are like decimals? Like decimals are that is decimals who have same number of digits on the right side of decimal point. So do you know right, left? I think so you know. If you don't know, I am also drawing. So, yeah. This is left. This is right. And this is okay. So now you all know that this one part is right and this one part is left. Okay. So see here, this is a decimal point. After on the right side of decimal point, here are two number of digits. Here also are two number of digits. Here also are two number of digits. So these all are like decimals. And one thing to be careful is 9.24 alone will not be the like decimal. It should contain two digits, two decimal numbers. Okay. So 9.24 and 612.36 will be the like decimal. Alone 9.24 will not be the like decimal. Okay. So what are unlike decimals now? Unlike decimals are the decimals who have different number of digits on the right side of decimal point. They have different number of digits. For example, here 9.23, 658.235 and 25.2. Here there are two number of digits of the decimal point. Here there are three number of digits of the decimal point, and here there is one number of digits after the decimal on the right side of decimal point. Clear? So here also there is same concept that 9.23 alone will not be the unlike decimal. 658.235 will also be the unlike decimal with the 9.23. It should contain two decimal numbers, or it can be more than two decimal numbers also. Clear? So I think so you are clear with this. So I should move on. I think so you're clear. So I will give you a quiz on the basis of this. So solve this quiz. Give two examples of like and unlike decimals. Okay. Here you have to give two examples of like and unlike decimals. I will give you only and only 20 seconds to solve. So just be ready. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And last is 20. I think so I have solved in this first time because this is, the time is enough for solving, yeah? Yes, ma'am? So I think so you have solved. So let's start here. So two examples. like decimal, the example of like decimals are here. These are some examples of like decimal. 56.33, 56.3 and and 18.4.2. Okay, and 6 point, sorry, yeah, 6.6.6, 6.6 and 6.6 and 56.3. So I think so here you can see here also there is one digit after decimal point, here also one digit after decimal point, here also one digit after decimal point, and here also one digit after decimal point. So this is example till here it is example number 1, and after this whole is example number 2. Okay, so now two examples for unlike decimals also we have to give. So let's give example for that also. Okay, so like we have given like decimal we have given example for like decimal, so let's give for unlike decimals also. So here, see here carefully. Unlike decimal, sorry, here, let's see. Yeah, unlike decimal, example of unlike decimal is here. It is 56.5.9, 56.89, sorry, 5.9, 56.89, and this is one example. Till here, this is one example. Okay. Now we are going to do write another example. Yes. So another example is 6.693 and 32.6935 here. So this is, so these are two examples. So I think so you are clear with the topic. So can we move on our next topic? Yes. Okay. Let's move on our next topic. Converting like decimals into unlike decimals. Okay. So there is a very simple step. That is, we just have to insert a simple 0. We just have to insert a 0. Okay. For example, there is a unlike fraction 56.9 and 789.23 is an unlike fraction. To convert it into like fractions, insert 0. You can insert any number of zeros. Okay. So 56.9, we will insert a 0 after 9. Okay. We will insert a 0 after 9. And remember one thing, that number before decimal point will never change. We will never insert a 0 after or before that number. We will never insert 0 here, or we will never insert 0 here. Okay. We will always insert 0 after with we will always insert 0 with the number after the decimal point on the number on the right side of decimal point. The number on the right side of decimal point is 9 here, so we will put 0 after 9, not before 9. We will put 0 after 9. Okay, so it will be 90. Sorry, 90. So now it will be 56.90 and 789.23 are like decimals now, because after point there are same number of digits. Okay, clear? Any doubt? No? So are you ready to solve a quiz? Yes? Yes, so solve a quiz here. I would go with a nice quiz. Yes. Yeah. You have to sorry. So the quiz will be, yeah, I think so. You are, yeah. So I think so you're clear with the topic? Yes. So I will give you a quiz on this topic now. So the quiz is in the front of you. So I think so you will only get, okay, you will only get 20 seconds. Sorry, 10 seconds, because it is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and lastly 10. So time is over. So I think we have done in this much time. So we will insert 0 after on after the number on the right side of decimal point. So number after on the right side of decimal point is 9. So we will insert 0 after 9. So it will be 65.90 and sorry 900 and 89.320. Now there are same number of digits on the right side of decimal point. As I said that we can insert any number of zeros after the decimal point. Okay, you can insert n number of zeros after the decimal point. Okay, so here now they're like decimal, because after decimal point there are same number of digits. Here also 3 number of digits and here also 3 number of digits. I think so you like. So thank you. Thank you. Bye.